Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Emma, and this is your monthly look at what's new in SpreadsheetWeb. This month comes down to three things: more control over when your application is open, better teamwork around it, and more confidence when you update it. First up, you can now manage exactly when your application is available. Open your app settings, choose Show More Options, and you will find Availability Options. The simplest version is a switch. Flip current availability to offline, and the application stops accepting visitors right away. But the real power is scheduling. Turn on scheduled downtime and pick how it should work. Publication expiry takes the app offline a set number of days after you last published it. A one-time maintenance window uses specific start and end dates, and a weekly maintenance window repeats on the days you choose at the times you set. You can even add exceptions to skip a date. Then there's the part your visitors actually see. Pick one of 5 maintenance page styles, write your own title and message, and format it with Markdown. Preview it right there. So instead of a page that looks broken, people get a clear, branded message that tells them you will be back. Next, application chat got a lot richer. Every application has its own chat, right on the app card. Open it and you get one shared conversation for that app. Here is the nice part. Your team's messages and the application's own activity live together, so you can see that someone created the app or started a transaction right next to the discussion about it. You can mention a teammate with the @ sign, add emoji, and drop in files. Attach a PDF, a spreadsheet, or an image. Images get a thumbnail you can expand, download, or open in full. Paste a link and it becomes a preview card. Paste a YouTube link and the video plays right inside the chat. The conversation, the files, and the history of the application all stay in one place. Finally, the Workbook compatibility checker. Updating the Excel file behind a live application is the moment things can quietly break, so now SpreadsheetWeb checks it first. In the designer, choose Upload Excel and pick your updated workbook. Before it replaces anything, the platform compares it against what your application actually uses. If something is off, you get a clear report. Missing named ranges lists the ranges your app needs that are not in the new file. Size differences shows the ranges whose rows or columns changed, old and new, side by side. Then it is your call. Cancel and fix the workbook, or upload anyway if the change was intentional. It is a pre-flight check, not a replacement for testing, but it catches the problems that used to surface much later. For the full details, check the release notes and the Help Center. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month. SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.